Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment. I'm not going to be down here for long. Just come to check my plants for damages, and as you know we are getting early frost in different places in the UK. So what I'm doing at the moment, I'm just watering the plants in my polytunnel. As you all know, in this bed I planted a load of carrots. They were coming up, but I think it was the voles what was eating them. I see them, the odd one or two coming up, so still water. I think what I needed to do was get something to cover them over. So there's not a lot you can do this time of the year now. These are my Scotch bonnets what I'm watering. I've got an hibiscus plant up here what I water. And I think there's some fennels at the back there and the wonderberry. So I'm just giving those a bit of water. Hopefully we haven't seen any voles, because I think because we found their nests, hopefully they've exited, but I'm still going to spray something in here. I mixed up some garlic, some castor oil, and what was it? And some hot chili peppers, the hottest ones I could find. And I'm just coming up here now, and I have to. Sometimes things happen, and what makes you laugh. So I'm going to let my cameraman come up here. Let me just get this in here. And I'm looking on my melons what I was just going to pull up, and look at this. That's the second one what's coming up this time of the year. So you know things happen and it makes you have to laugh. And then what happened? All my spring onions died down, and we picked some out, and I used the little bowls to make some pickled onions. And then what happened is, came back a couple of days later and see they started sprouting out again. So I've got some spring onions down here, loads. So hopefully if the bulbs swell up a bit bigger, then I can use the bulbs and make some pickled onions with them. This is my ginger here. You can see it's growing nice. Every time I water I see a big one here, a big root there what I'm going to have to cover. I don't know whether to cover it with the coir or use normal soil. Then my chilies, you see they've still got chilies on them. Some nice chilies, and it's still flowering. So I'm just giving everything a quick water, and then I'll show you the spray that I've mixed up. Got my lettuces, still got lettuces, still got fennels in here. I don't know what I'm not sure fennels are meant to bulb up like into a big bulb, which I don't see any of these ones doing. But just leave them in here. Not doing anything with the bed, so if I was doing something with the bed, then I would would have taken them out because I don't know if I can see any what's bulbing up. Maybe this one here, but I don't know that much about them. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section and we will get back to you on them. So I'm going to finish watering and then I'll be back with you. Right everybody, so I'm still watering. I'm just at where my pumpkins are, and as you can see the damage from the cold weather, we're getting a few bits of frost. You can, because you never used to see the few pumpkins what's in there, but now you can see them. I let my cameraman come up so you can see the few little pumpkins. There's not a lot in there. There's a big one there which is a Jamaica globe. I don't know what this white one is, and then there's a few 3 or 4 crown prints and a Jamaica globe one up there. So that's what's going on. The cold weather's just hit and come down suddenly, and I thought everything was going to be all right, but you know, you just have to persevere with what you can do. And hopefully I'm going to leave them. Just keep saying that the weather's going to get hot and this and that, so I'm just going to leave them and keep an eye on them, see if they get any bigger. I've got one at home what I casparita what I took home yesterday. I cooked some of it yesterday and it was so nice. But you might say, why am I watering if the ground is still damp? Although you get that water, it doesn't really penetrate the ground, so you need water what's going to penetrate down to the roots. Right. So this is my bed. What I'm thinking of, it's either this bed or the one at the front. What I'm thinking of just putting my my garlics and then just leaving them to do what they're. So you know, you still have to water so that the manure and everything underneath still sinks down. It's sinking down, but it's taking its time, which is all right for me because I keep trying to source somewhere to get the compost, but nowhere's got it up this side. So, and then these Romanesco cauliflowers, as you can see, they're growing nice, but I don't know, they're not doing anything. And I've seen a few people say, what do they do? But I can't see nothing to indicate that they're gonna produce anything. All these are, because I wanted it to come out so I can take out all this, get this bed prepped. You can see the grass is coming back through the manure. So that's what I've done. I've just given everywhere a quick water. So let me go and turn off this water now. And I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so finished watering and everything. So I was just checking my corn to see if there's any what I could pick. They still need a few more days. Some of them's the top starting to brown off, but you need them to be really dark. And then my cho-cho. Let my cameraman go around. I know it's late in the season now, but this is how much growth. This is just one plant. The other one I don't know if it's still there or not. But this one was starting to flower. I don't know if you can see the flower here. Was starting to flower, and I know they're saying that it's ready to give off cho-chos, but I think it's too late in the season now. But you know, it's just one of them things. I don't know if I planted it out too late because of the rain and everything. That's the results of my tomatoes. Well, I pulled them out. You see the rest of them as well. Even these ones in here, they were all green and everything. I've gone round and I've looked on them to see if there was any what I could rescue. I got a few what I put in the polytunnel to see if I can get them to ripen off. When you pick them, you have to make sure that there ain't no brown on them or any disease of any kind on them. See, these are the shimmer, and you can see the difference. This is I think that's the blight there, what's already attacked them. So you look in between, you see a few what was turning red, so you can pick those. The ones what ain't got no blight on them, you can pick those ones off as well. Put them on a windowsill or somewhere, and hopefully they'll ripen up. So that's all I've got to show you today. If you like our videos, like I was saying, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Watch the ads as well. I know a lot of people don't like ads, but you know, that's what helps to keep the channel going. And like coming up to winter now, you know, this is where we need the little funds what we've got to, you know, replace plants, seeds and everything what we need, because next year now, hopefully there'll be less things in the polytunnel and that. I'm not planting any sweet potato in the polytunnel, I don't think. I'm going to plant them in these big tubs, you know, space them out where I can put them. All these areas and that, I'm going to see if I can get them cleared. And then this compost pile, I keep saying that to you. We've still got some carrots out here, the spinach what I need to get out, but I haven't got round to that yet neither, because I've still got other things to do. So, you know, it's just on getting everything prepped for winter. You see, you trim the grass and then you come back, you see it's starting to spring back and grow. The glyphosate I put to kill those big leaf things, I don't know what they are, and it hasn't even done anything to them. So right, so I sprayed in my polytunnel. Now it's got that strong smell of garlic. So I'm going to shut this. I haven't seen any of the voles today. So I'm going to just shut the top bit of here. To keep the smell in. That'll deter them if they want to come back. I'll look in this in this corner here, and it looked like another bird got caught there. We do have foxes down here, so they must have caught another bird down there. But still got some sweet potato buckets here. Yeah, they haven't dried down yet. They're still green, so I'm going to leave those. We'll keep an eye on them with the pumpkins and that. And the okra yam. I've got one potato bucket there, and I've got that bed up there. What I done. I'm thinking what to put there. I don't want nothing too tall there, because I've got my roses there. I was meant to get some more roses to put in, but he didn't turn up with them. But it's all good. I'll still get them. So I need a compost for this bed, and I might put some garlic in this one as well. But someone said to me, you've got to keep rotating garlic. Last year I had them in the other beds, but if you're going to keep rotating them, then it makes life a bit difficult, because you've got to know what you're going to put in the bed next time. So we'll see how it goes. And so just like, share and subscribe. Leave comments in the comment section if you want to ask us anything. If there's anything that you want to see us plant for next year, or do anything for next year, yes, it's early, but you still have to plan ahead, and we'll see what we can do. If we can get hold of things to plant, then we'll give things a try. But there's a few things that I won't be planting again, so you know, we tried it didn't work, so you move on. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until the next time. Thank you.